The Monza SP2, part of Ferrari's exclusive Icona series, pays homage to historic Barchetta racers from the 1950s, such as the 166mm and 750 Monza. The design seamlessly fuses vintage cues with modern sophistication. Open cockpit, no windshield, just Ferrari's clever virtual windshield system, which deflects airflow over occupants for comfort and aerodynamic efficiency. Cockpit division, a prominent carbon fiber divider separates driver and passenger seats, reinforcing the car's Barchetta heritage. Body panels, crafted from lightweight composite materials, Kevlar and carbon fiber, using advanced F1-inspired techniques. Minimalist doors, scissor-style doors that enhance the streamlined, sculptural profile. The video emphasizes how every line, curve, and surface is not just for pleasing the eye. It's purposeful, blending aesthetics and function. Interior and driver-centric focus. Inside, the SP2 embodies a purist's dream. Spartan cockpit, stripped-down design with one central carbon fiber steering wheel, a small gauge cluster, and no bulky infotainment touchscreen. Materials, premium leather, exposed carbon fiber, and racing-style bucket seats reflect both elegance and performance intent. Virtual windshield, a low-profile wind deflector in front of the cockpit creates a surprising level of wind protection, enabling calm airflow even at high speeds. The reviewer praises the engagement factor, describing the SP2 as a bog-standard roadster on steroids, pure, visceral, and focused on the driving experience. Powertrain and performance. Central to the SP2's impact is its extreme power and mechanical purity. Engine, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, derived from the 812 Superfast but tuned to about 799 to 810 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 719 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. Transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, sending power exclusively to the rear wheels. Acceleration, lightning-fast 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 2.9 seconds, 0 to 200 km per hour in 7.9 seconds. Top speed, over 300 km per hour, 186 miles per hour. More than enough to satisfy true speed seekers. The exhaust note, described in the video, is raw and haunting, a visceral roar that crescendos through the rev range, underscoring the car's race-bred essence. 4. Handling and chassis dynamics. Driving footage in the video highlights how the Monza SP2 handles. Aluminium chassis, adapted from the 812 Superfast but optimized for rigidity and agility. Weight, lightweight design, SP2 tips the scales at about 1,520 kilograms. SP1 is 500 kg. Aero balance. Despite lacking a full windshield, the virtual shield effectively smooths airflow and preserves high-speed stability. Suspension and brakes. Race-derived adaptive damping permits firm yet pliant ride, and high-performance carbon ceramic brakes provide confidence-inspiring deceleration. The video review applauds the car's ability to transform bumpy roads into exhilarating wind-in-your-face runs, with razor-sharp steering and finely tuned suspension. Exclusivity and ownership experience. Few cars rival the aura of the Monza SP2. Production run, limited to just 499 units, making it ultra-rare and highly coveted. Price tag, starting around €1.58 million, approximate. US $1.8 million, before options. Some examples have reached £1.4 million at auction. Customization, each car tailored to owner desires. Paint, interior trims, racing accessories, helmets, gloves, etc., offered by Berluti/Loro Piana. Street presence, the review marvels at how the SP2 draws attention at every stop. Its silhouette alone commands gazes. The video reflects that beyond its performance, the SP2 delivers an experience of exclusivity and artistry few machines can match. Sensory driving experience. The review video immerses viewers in the visceral joys of driving the SP2. Sound, the V12 Symphony is unfiltered and spine-tingling, capturing Ferrari's trademark auditory intensity. Wind and sensation, without a roof or windshield, occupants feel truly exposed to the environment. Sun, breeze, engine vibrations, all part of the appeal. Connection, shifts through the DCT, throttle modulation, and chassis feedback make for a driving experience far more analog than most modern hypercars. The reviewer concludes that the Monza SP2 isn't just driven, it's performed, creating memories that last far beyond any numerical spec. Criticisms and usability. No car is perfect, even a Ferrari masterpiece. Practicality. No roof, limited wind protection, so it's not ideal for rain or daily commuting. Comfort. Firm ride, minimal insulation, and sparse creature comforts. Value. The eye-watering price, combined with its exclusivity, means it sits firmly in collector territory, not for the average driver. Utility. With just 2 seats and very limited storage, it's clearly a weekend toy, not a multi-use vehicle. The video frames these not as drawbacks but as features. The SP2 prioritizes authenticity and involvement over convenience. Final verdict. In roughly 800 words, the review video positions the Ferrari Monza SP2 as one of the most compelling and emotionally engaging automotive experiences of modern times. Its strengths include unmatched design and heritage fidelity, potent naturally aspirated V12 with a haunting soundtrack, balanced, responsive chassis that rewards spirited driving, sartorial exclusivity, only a few hundred owners. On the flip side, its hyper-specialized nature means comfort, whether usability and daily practicality weren't part of its agenda. Summary table. Aspect. Details. Engine. 6.5L naturally aspirated V12, 799, 810 HP, 719 Nm torque. Performance. 0 to 100 km/h in 2.9 seconds. Top speed greater than 300 km/h. Weight. 520 kg. Design. Open-top barchetta, carbon composite, virtual windshield, scissor doors. Interior. Minimal, racing-focused, premium materials. Production. 499 units. Starting price. Euro 1.58 m, approximate. US $1.8 million. Auction prices up to pound 1.4 m. Usability. Weekend car. Limited weather protection / no AC. Overall impression. This review video captures the essence of the Ferrari Monza SP2. More than a car, it's an experience, an homage to Ferrari's racing lineage, wrapped in modern engineering and raw emotion. It's a statement piece for collectors and drivers who crave authenticity, drama, and exclusivity.